Sometimes the best hotel review isn't about what was amazing, it's about what wasn't. Nothing about this hotel blew me away. There wasn't an incredible view, there wasn't a luxury suite, there wasn't some over-the-top feature that had me reaching for the camera every 5 minutes. But there also wasn't a single thing that frustrated me. And after staying here, I think that's exactly the point. Today I'm talking about the Hampton Inn by Hilton Kamloops, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you why I would stay here again, even though nothing about it was particularly memorable. Before we get into the hotel itself, let's talk briefly about Kamloops. For a lot of travelers, Kamloops isn't the final destination. It's a stop along the way. Whether you're heading deeper into British Columbia, traveling between Alberta and the coast, or simply passing through, Kamloops is often the place where people stop for the night before continuing their journey. And because of that, what many travelers want from a hotel here, it's actually pretty simple. A clean room, a comfortable bed, a decent breakfast, a convenient location, and a reasonable price. The question is, does this hotel deliver on those basics? The short answer is yes. But let's take a closer look. One of the first things I noticed when arriving at the hotel was how straightforward everything felt. The parking was easy. Finding the entrance was easy. Check-in was quick. Within a few minutes, I was heading to my room. There wasn't anything exciting about the process, but that's actually a compliment. When you're traveling, sometimes the best experience is the one that simply works. No confusion, no surprises, no unnecessary complications. Everything here felt exactly like that. Simple and efficient. Let's take a look at the room. This was a standard room. No upgrades, no suite, just the room that most travelers will probably end up booking. And honestly, I think that's important. A lot of hotel reviews focus on premium rooms that most guests never actually stay in. This is the experience most people are likely to have. The room was clean, comfortable, and exactly what I expected from a Hampton Inn. Nothing felt outdated, nothing felt neglected, nothing felt particularly luxurious either. And that's okay. The room delivered exactly what it needed to deliver. A comfortable place to relax and get a good night's sleep. As I spent more time in the room, I kept coming back to the same thought. Everything worked. The layout worked, the furniture worked, the room size worked. There was nothing that stood out as exceptional, but there was also nothing that made me wish I had booked somewhere else. And that's a bigger compliment than it might sound like. Quick question for you. When you are booking a hotel, what's more important? Luxury or consistency? Would you rather stay somewhere exciting but unpredictable, or somewhere that reliably delivers exactly what you expect every time? Let me know in the comments, because I think different travelers answer that question very differently. The more I travel, the more I appreciate consistency. Luxury hotels can be impressive. Boutique hotels can be memorable. But consistency is what earns repeat business. And that's where I think Hampton Inns generally do a good job. You know what you're getting, you know roughly what the room will be like, you know what the breakfast will be like, and you know the experience will probably be reliable. That it's valuable, especially when you're only staying one night. The breakfast follows the same pattern. Was it the best breakfast I've ever had? No. Was it perfectly adequate and convenient? Absolutely. You wake up, grab breakfast, start your day, and continue your trip. For many travelers, that's exactly what they're looking for. Not an unforgettable breakfast, just a convenient one. The common areas were clean and well maintained. The property overall felt well cared for. Again, nothing flashy, nothing extravagant, just solid, reliable, consistent. Those three words probably describe this hotel better than anything else. If you're enjoying the review so far, consider subscribing to our channel. We review hotels, destinations, and travel experiences, focusing on what actually matters when you're deciding where to stay. Now let's talk about something that I think it's actually one of the biggest advantages of this hotel: price. During my stay, this property was noticeably less expensive than the DoubleTree downtown. Now that's not a criticism of the DoubleTree. They're different hotels serving slightly different purposes. But if your goal is simply finding a clean and comfortable place to spend the night in Kamloops, price becomes part of the conversation. And that's where this hotel starts looking very attractive. If you're planning to spend your entire evening enjoying downtown Kamloops, then maybe the downtown location has value to you. But if you're simply looking for a hotel that does its job well, this Hampton Inn makes a strong case. You're getting a clean room, included breakfast, a comfortable stay, and a lower price point. That's a combination many travelers will appreciate. In fact, that's probably the biggest reason I would consider staying here again. Not because it was extraordinary, because it represented good value. And value matters, especially when hotel prices seem to keep climbing year after year. At this point, I think it's important to answer another question. Who is this hotel actually for? If you're looking for a luxury getaway, this probably isn't it. If you're looking for a unique boutique experience, this probably isn't it. But if you're traveling through Kamloops, spending a night or two in the city, or simply looking for a dependable hotel that won't break the budget, I think it does a very good job. It knows exactly what it is, and it doesn't try to be something else. There's something refreshing about that. What's the single most important thing you look for in a hotel? Location, price, cleanliness, breakfast? Let me know below. I'm always curious to hear what matters most to different travelers. Now let's wrap this up. Would I stay at the Hampton Inn by Hilton Kamloops again? Yes, without hesitation. Not because it offered a luxury experience, not because it had some unforgettable feature, but because it delivered exactly what it promised. The room was comfortable, the hotel was clean, the breakfast was convenient, the price was reasonable, and the overall experience was completely hassle-free. Sometimes that's exactly what you want from a hotel. Nothing more, nothing less. Just a good place to stay, and that's why I think this property succeeds. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more hotel reviews, destination guides, and travel experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.